friends, you know there is so much scenery around village. See this and that and that. There is so much scenery, and you know there we don't waste money in the market. We waste money in the market by taking vegetables and fruits. There are a lot of foods. Look, we call it in Hindi Sam, and this is carrot, and this is garlic, and you know there is so much grass in this. So my grandmother like this grass, pick it up and threw that. Then look here, my grandmother has taken out this is something or the other, and you know she has this soil. It is so wet right now. It will be so much yellow in sunny days. See this soil, and like this soil over here. See, this is coriander. Why it is? Because it absorbs all the color, but don't absorb green color. Like this, I told you in that video, and this also, and all like this white flower over there. That was white flower, and I told you something also, that fruits and vegetables give us so much health and go and make us strong. I told you in that video. You know here my mother will, I do like this, then she make a sort of that video and click like and put here. Then you know my grandfather my grandmother gave so much water around this, and grandfather gave in this water. Like this saffron, mustard plant, and carrots and radishes. And you know, trees give us so much oxygen. That's why we are safe today. If there are any plant in the market, so you come over here and stay. That's why we